I remember one of our biggest competitors said, no, they're never going to pull this off.
And now, welcome to the stage, Sean Kozak.
2 years later, we have over 40 accredited investors backing us because we don't just have technology, we have market disrupting technology.
From Tickblaze.
By pioneering new ground, we're making noise. We're an ecosystem. And frankly, we're the future. We chose the Benzinga event as the official launchpad for us opening up the platform because most of the people here have a very common mission, and that institutional grade technology and resources should be made available for both the retail and the institutional side of the industry. I've always been passionate about technology. I've always been passionate about innovation. And we're about 5 years ahead of anybody that would even want to remotely come close to what we're doing. And we're a solution that doesn't exist in the space. We've built the first ever open source infrastructure for a peer-to-peer social network, basically the next Facebook and Instagram for traders and developers and institutional clients and partners that we work with. Tickblaze is a hybrid solution. We're built to service the retail trader, the entire industry of that side. But we're also built to handle the institutions, the quants, the hedge funds, the family offices, the portfolio managers. I grew up in a small town. My dad was a logger. I then left and went and worked on the oil rigs, right? I know how to work hard. I came from the school of hard knocks, so to speak. But I think it's important not to forget where you came from. You have to have some form of humility on why you're doing it. The why behind the business, the why behind the partnerships, the why behind the end user. It comes out, right? It has to be authentic, it has to be real, and you have to have passion or it's not gonna work. I think you need to understand what we stand for as a company. Tickblaze has built different pricing structures and partnership structures for different laterals because we understand that brokers price their businesses different than a hedge fund or different than a family office or a prop firm. So let's talk traders first, right? Traders are on a constant hunt for profitability. Their only objective is to make money, and they're always challenged by complexities of changing markets, dynamic volatility, and really they're on the hunt for strategies, education, and technology that's user-friendly and accessible. Imagine an environment where you could build 100 trading systems simultaneously, backtest them, deploy them, and trade them in a portfolio-level infrastructure against 10,000 markets in less than 3 minutes. We can service that now. And there isn't technology in the industry that is built to do that. And we're proud to be able to pioneer that. A lot of times, you make moves in silence, right? You know, I look at it as a game of chess, not checkers. For years, we've worked in the industry. We've partnered with over 50 companies in fintech, data, prop, education. We've received accolades for not only having amazing technology, but by pioneering new ground, right? We have strategic partnerships that are major scale institutions, brokerages, data companies, major players in the media space that are seeing our rise. And it's an exciting time, not just for us, but for our team, for our partners, right? For everybody that's involved in this movement, because like I said, Tickblaze is the future and we're here to stay.